I wonder what surprises are hiding in our garages today. We have a green garage, a blue garage, a red garage, and a yellow garage. Let's see what's in our yellow garage. Ooh, it's building blocks. This is awesome. I wonder what we can build with these blocks. Let's put them together and find out. What do we build? It's a green and white airplane, and we even have a yellow propeller that we can spin. Now let's see what's in our green garage. What can we build with these pieces? Let's see. It's a red hot rod, and it looks super fast. Cool! Let's see if we can race it. Now let's see what's in our blue garage. What do you guys think we can build with these pieces?
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child takes the
It's Blaze from Blaze and the Monster Machines.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
Now let's see what's in our red garage. It's Blaze's friend, Zeg. Hey Blaze, wait up! Oh, hi Zeg. Hi Blaze, what are you up to? Oh, I'm just going out for a drive. Wanna come with me? Sure, sounds like fun. Beep beep, beep beep. Hey, what kind of car are you? Yeah, you look super cool. I'm a hot rod. I have a really big engine that makes me go really fast. Cool! Wanna race? Sure, but I have to warn you, I'm super fast. Okay, well, we're not really race cars, we're monster trucks. Yeah, but it'll still be fun. On your mark, get set, go!
Funnest toys.
Hey guys, look what we're having. It's Ice cream! Oh no! We ran out! Let's make some more! Let's see what ingredients we have in our refrigerator. We have an orange carrot, a brown onion, a red apple, a yellow banana, an orange, green broccoli, white cauliflower, red tomato, purple eggplant, and some cream. We'll need a cutting board and knife to cut our ingredients. Here's an apple to make some apple flavored ice cream. An onion to make some onion flavored ice cream.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Get to my Lou, my darling. Lou, skip to my Lou.
We're also going to have a yellow banana,
Skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my
and we're going to have some broccoli flavored ice cream with this green broccoli.
to my Lou, my darling. Lou, skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou.
Here's an orange.
Skip to my Lou, my darling. Old MacDonald had a farm.
We also have a purple eggplant to make some eggplant flavored ice cream.
With a here and a there, here, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
How about some carrot flavored ice cream with this orange carrot?
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here,
And here's our white cauliflower.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
For our cauliflower flavored ice cream.
Had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
And our last ingredient we have is a red tomato.
Dog. E-I-E-I-O. Here and a there, here, everywhere. Old MacDonald.
Now that we have all our ingredients cut up, we'll use this ice cream scoop maker to make our ice cream.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig.
So many scoops of ice cream. Now we'll need to get our ice cream cones from this jar, but first we need to fill it with shakes. Here's a purple triangle, a pink heart, a green star, a yellow circle, and a blue square. Now we have 2 ice cream cones. Let's make our ice cream and count how many scoops we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 scoops of ice cream. Whoa! That's a really big ice cream.
Funnest toys.